This store and I'm happy. Tell you why. I just got my saffron. I ordered it early this week and I just got it today. So I got saffron, Persian saffron from this company, and I got Spanish saffron from the same company. Spanish as Spain. Now, what is saffron? Okay, so let me tell you. Saffron comes from a flower. The name of the flower is Crocus sativus L flower. That's kind of a cute name, right? Crocus sativus L flower. But it's also known as the saffron flower. Now, that flower has three little threads, which actually are this. That's one of the threads. So each flower comes with those three little threads, which happen to be the saffron that we use for cooking. Now, what makes it so special is that these threads have to be hand picked because they are very delicate. Now, just to give you an idea, if you want a pound of saffron, you're going to need about 75,000 flowers. 75,000 flowers to get a pound of saffron. And I only have 5 grams. Now, where saffron come from? 93% of the global saffron come from Persia, what we call Iran. And a combined 4% of the global production, 4% combined, come from Spain and Afghanistan. I had the Persian, I had the Spanish. Now, what do I do with it? Aside from the claims of the medical benefits that saffron provide, for me, it's about the flavor. I love flavorful things. I love flavorful things. So that's what I use saffron. And if you cook paella, you don't use saffron. You're not cooking paella. You need saffron, and you don't need a lot. I mean, this thing is not it's not a low cost product for the reason I explained earlier. Now, it can last you a long time because you don't need a lot. You only need about maybe 3, 4, 5, 6 little threads that you put in your paella when you're cooking it. I use it for my beans. I use it for when I'm doing certain meals like stews. That's when I use saffron. Oh, I use it to mix my butter with saffron and garlic just to get it that flavor when I'm cooking my steak. So it's a lot of uses that you're going to enjoy. Now, some people use it for teas and desserts and things like that. I haven't tried that, but I'm planning to do it, and I will let you know how good it turns out. Um, my case, I use 3, 4, 5 threads. I put it in my meals when I'm cooking it. Sometimes I roast it by putting it in a little, I grab a tiny aluminum foil, put the thing inside, I fold it and put it in my pan, heat it up, I leave it roasted, smell nice taste to the meals. And I also, sometimes I just grab my pilon, and the small one, and I kind of heat it up a little bit just to get the flavors flowing. Now, at the end of the video, I'm going to put a picture of the flower. I'm going to look for it. And I may look at some meals I have made with saffron and put some of the pictures there too. I hope you learned something.